USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. You can check them out. Join free Telegram if you want. Check out the brokers and pay my fees, whatever. You can check out these things in your free time. Coming back to the chart, we have to start with the top-down approach with a weekly time frame. Weekly, we have the rejection from the EMA in weekly. Okay, so this is your bearish hammer. We are going to go down this week. Okay, daily chart, we have closed below the EMA. We are going to continue. Let me see again here. 92.6 and 94. Okay, this can act as a double bottom as well. Time will tell. But this candle plus this candle has broken below the EMA. This one did not break this low. This could act like a double bottom and could move the price up for maybe 2-3 days. And mainly I'm looking for shorts only. So coming back to 4 hour, you can see the reason. In 4 hour, the price is below the EMA. Okay, so this is your uptrend. This is your downtrend, and then we have this. This is your we call signal. Okay, so if you use your fib levels in the downtrend from here till here. Okay, so this is the pullback until 38%. Then we have the red candle in which has encoded this previous blue candle, but it was on Friday. So on Friday, what happens doesn't really make sense because you can't continue the market as per this structure of Friday. Okay, so as per Friday, this was your signal, but I would say wait for the pullback again. Okay, I would say wait for the price to touch this EMA again, then a red candle, and then you go down, because it could easily turn up. Because I have shown you in daily chart, this low was not able to break this low. Okay, so we might easily go up and then we go down as a pullback. So again, in 4 hour, your strategy should be the price needs to stay below the EMA and it has to reject the EMA and then red candle, and then you will go down. Okay, so again, let me do a recap. In weekly, we are in the downtrend, as you can see, with the bearish hammer. Then in daily, again, we have tried to break the EMA twice now. This was your actually start of the, this red candle was start of the downtrend. Then we had been consolidating for a number of days now, and then we are trying to break down below the EMA. Okay, so in this candle on last Friday or 2 days ago has I think, let me check here, it has closed above the EMA. Okay, so it has closed above the EMA. This is the signal that it might bounce back little bit, not much, but little bit here means 100 pips easily. Okay, so keep an eye what happens in 4 hour. In 4 hour, if the price closes above the EMA, then or else you have to wait for this high to be broken. Okay, so if this high is broken, this previous high is broken by the blue candle in 4 hour, then you will carry on the uptrend for maybe short time of interval. Otherwise, rejection from the EMA, red candle, and then you will go down. Okay, so too much for free. For now, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, check out these links. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.